Okay, this is the 1813. Sears Kenmore 1813. I just finished freeing up the stitch selector the rest of the way and the reverse. Put the motor back on, snug up the belts, and not too tight, of course. And these little things are so smooth and quiet. 2mm wide zigzag stitch. Okay, and let's see, I need to put my tension down here. There we go. Alrighty, and I just do 4mm wide. And of course you can make the stitches closer together even. First total satin stitch. And then I'm going to take it back to a regular 12 stitches per inch. Okay, that is this stitch here. It's like a reverse blind hem. Let's see, and then we'll switch it to stretch stitch. And I've got stitch width of 4. The slapping noise is normal. That is the reverse that helps you do this. See, that makes a beautiful blind hem stitch or blanket stitch. You can adjust your reverse motion shorter, medium, and longer to change these stitches if you want to. Let's switch to the next stitch. This is basically a mock overlock stitch. Again, the tappy sound is normal for it slamming itself into reverse to make those stitches, the forward and back part. That's normal for stretch stitches on these old machines. And let's see, let's switch to, let's pull the needle up and switch. Okay, then do another stretch stitch. And if I want those tighter, make it shorter. That's a really good stitch for stitching in a 1/4 inch elastic or 3/8 inch elastic, so you don't have to create a casing. You're using that for your casing, but notice how it looks like an actual, sorry, my phone has not gone out of focus. There we go. Now when I shortened the stitch, it made it look more like an actual serger stitch or overlock stitch. I used the box part of it for doing the elastic casings for wristbands, like if you've got a ruffle as a wristband or a waistband that you want to do on a lightweight cotton dress or imitation smocking over 3/8 inch elastic. That's a really good stitch for it. Let's see, that one right there. Okay, and let's put it on the smocking stitch. Beautiful smocking stitch.